Hey guys, chance here, subscribe, hit the bell me notifications, and like the video. So today, Prismarine227 asked to draw a dog in Passpartout at the New Beginners and Flint's. Bonjour. So that's what I'm going to do today. Like anybody else, if anybody else wants to do what he did, type in the comments section of what you want me to draw. That's really nice. Oh, it looks like it doesn't have any sword yet. Oh, I do. So a dog, right? Yeah, it is in Zatash. So a dog, right? So we got, oh crap. So we got that thick. Next up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tail. Don't know what that is. Looks like a pop stick. Tail. That's the head. Seriously? Well, I call it garbage too. But not like that garbage. That hurt. Oh, no. That's you. He's hating on himself. Boring. It's gonna be big eyes. What is that? It looks like a cat. So I guess everything I draw is gonna be weird, like this. But so subscribe, hit the bell me notifications, and like the video. Hopefully you had a good laugh. Let's see how much money we get for this. But head, eye. Well, I guess we can't do it, I guess. But still, you can subscribe if you would like. It's beautiful! Benjamin! You might have but you didn't like art. This ain't original, mate. It is original, mate. I don't know why I'm talking like this because I'm not British. I am British, mate. So you should subscribe, hit the bell me notifications, and like the video. And shout outs to Prismarine227. Bye. Hopefully you like the dog. Laugh, haha. Bye.